Equipment Company. I'm Percy. I'm so happy to be here today to continue chatting with you about our equipment. Thank you all for returning and for the new friend who has joined us. So today, this live show is full of useful information, especially for the people who are interested in metal hot processing equipment. So please don't leave. Stay with us.
Hello, everyone. I'm Stella, and I'm so excited to partner with Percy today for our second YouTube live show. I'm also come from Luoyang Hongteng Electrical Equipment Company as well. And today, we are ready to dive into more useful knowledge and answer your questions about the equipment. Let's make this fun and informative.
Okay, we have already given an introduction of ourselves and also our company in the first live show. But since we have more new friends join us with today, so please allow me to give another introduction to our company. Okay, our company's name is Luoyang Hongteng Electrical Equipment Company. We belong to Hongteng Group, so we call it HTGP as well. So our company is engaged in manufacturing of metal hot processing equipment, and we are located in Luoyang City, Henan Province, right in the middle part of China. It's in Innovation Industry Park, which is a hub of for innovative enterprises. It's super convenient for visiting. It's very close to the airport or train station. It takes about 30 minutes to our factory from both places. So every week we have about 3 groups of customers come to visit us, discuss about the offers, the solutions. So we hope you will be the next one.
Our company is a group company which was established in 2012, but have more than 25 years of rich experience in the metal hot processing industry. We are a professional manufacturer and integrator which specialized in metal hot processing field. Our product range from induction heating furnace, induction melting furnace, casting equipment, rolling mill machine, and the steel pipe anti-corrosion equipment.
Well, HTGP have 4 production plants. It covers 23,000 square meters and 25 plus skilled engineer. Today, we mainly introduce one of our best-selling products, which is aluminum ingot production line. It includes 3 main machines. The first one is aluminum melting furnace. The second one is ingot casting machine, and the third one is stacking machine.
赶紧让它翻，赶紧让它翻。
Okay, now we are going to ask my colleague to give an introduction of our company and also introduce the live show in Spanish. So please welcome.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo estás? Soy Cherry. ¿Me recordaste? Hoy es nuestra segunda programa de los equipos de mi empresa. Antes, esta la primera programa, ya presenté mi empresa. Mi empresa hasta ahora tiene 25 años de experiencia sobre los hornos. Los productos principales de mi empresa tienen hornos de inducción de fusión metal y los hornos de calentamiento y la máquina de laminador de varilla colgada. Y también tenemos los equipos para tubo de resistencia de colgado. Mi empresa está en la ciudad Luoyang, esta provincia de Henan, y está centro de China. Desde la estación de tren y aeropuerto, solo 30 minutos hasta mi empresa, muy cómodo. Y cada semana, más o menos, hay 3 grupos de clientes que vienen ahí para visitar. Ahora vamos a visitar los equipos de aluminios. Es de importante de hoy. Vamos.
Beyond what we have shared so far, we have prepared a more technical segment for you. Our aluminum ingot line engineers today will also join us. Together, we will take you through the equipment layout diagrams step by step, perfect for anyone looking to understand the operation structure in details.
Stella, that sounds so amazing. I can't even wait for it to start. So no matter if you are new players or veteran players, this segment will lay out exactly 2 key things. Number one, how the equipment is placed and set up in your facility. And number two, how it functions in operation.
Percy and I truly hope you will watch this live show attentively because it will help you to understand exactly how the equipment is installed and the operations once it arrives to your factory. Whether you are new player or old player for this business, this live show will help you to understand all the equipment installation details and operation details. Let's go, Percy.
Okay. Okay, as I just mentioned earlier, there are 3 main equipment for this production line. Okay. Now, first, let me introduce the melting furnace, which is the first stage for your production line. Okay. Basically, we have 3 types of aluminum melting furnace, each designed to meet different production needs. So let's get started. First, let's look at our IGBT aluminum melting furnace. As you can see in front of you, this is our IGBT type melting furnace. This is our preferred choice for most customers. What's the advantage? Some people may ask. It features low power consumption, consuming up to 350 kilowatt hours per ton of molten aluminum, which means if you use this melting furnace to melt 1 ton aluminum, it only consumes 350 kilowatt hours electricity. This means exactly energy efficiency, helping you reduce operating costs. Furthermore, its minimal maintenance requirements save you time and effort on routine maintenance. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution, this IGBT aluminum melting furnace is the ideal choice.
Hi, Percy. I think we got some visitors in our live show. Can you come here?
Yes.
Mr. Mohammed. Thank you, friends. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for watching our live show. Percy just introduced the IGBT furnace. Let's continue to the next furnace. It's my turn now. Next one, we have the media frequency aluminum melting furnace. Melting speed and efficiency are its key advantages. Shortly melting times significantly increase production output. Furthermore, its high melting efficiency and long service life ensure the long-term value of your investment. Most importantly, it's easy to operate, making it easy for your team and to master and use. In our first YouTube live show, we had showed a 5-ton capacity media frequency aluminum melting furnace. It's for our Morocco customers. It's already shipped out. If you want to know about it, you can watch that first live show to learn more about media frequency aluminum melting furnaces.
Okay, now let me show you what the medium frequency melting furnace look like. We have one here. This is the finishing product area. Okay. This is another type of melting furnace, aluminum shell. All the furnaces you can see here in front of you is IGBT melting furnace. But you see the last one up there, this one is medium frequency melting furnace. It's a little bit different. Okay, so the third option is a gas or oil-fired aluminum melting furnace. We have another plant which is very close to this plant. That plant is for manufacturing gas and oil melting furnace. But today we are not going to show you the plant. So I'm going to give you the introduction way. For this type of melting furnace is particularly suitable for countries or regions where short of electricity, but natural gas or diesel price is competitive. By utilizing low-cost fuel resources, it helps you optimize fuel expenditures, making them cost-effective for specific marketing conditions. This translates to superior energy efficiency, helping you reduce operating costs. Furthermore, compared to IGBT and medium frequency aluminum melting furnace, gas or diesel melting furnace requires less maintenance, saves you time and effort on routine maintenance. However, the melting time for this type of aluminum melting furnace is a bit longer than electric melting furnace.
Last but not least, we offer a valuable upgrade for all furnace types, an integrated PLC, programmable logic controller system. With the PLC, the entire aluminum melting process is fully automatic. This not only reduces manual intervention and human error, but also ensures consistent melting quality and stable production operations, bringing your efficiency to new levels. Me and Percy already introduced the IGBT furnace, media frequency furnace. Now, our colleague Cherry, she will introduce the furnace to you guys by Spanish language.
Just a second, Stella, because we have a message here. Okay. The customer friend called Scrap Seller.
Hello, hello.
Yes, of course, you can import to India. We have already sold some equipment to India already.
Yes,
So,
we had exported one steel melting furnace to India in last month. It's available in India, and India demanding for the furnace is also very big. Many India customers they want to do steel melting business and aluminum melting business, so it's no problem for you to import it to India.
yeah, if you want to know the CIF cost, so it's better to leave your email address or WhatsApp number. So
Yes,
later
yes.
we can catch up you. You can tell us exactly what capacity you need, and then what's your raw material, and then we can give you the quotation.
Yes, our staff, Miss Jessica, she already replied. 1 ton capacity furnace will need one set 40 high Q container available.
Hello, scrap seller. If you can hear, you can leave your email address and WhatsApp number. Okay. So now we are going to leave to Cherry.
Now Cherry will introduce the furnace by Spanish language.
Hola, ahora es tiempo de Cherry. Voy a presentar el primero horno tipo IGBT a ustedes. Esta es la opción preferida por la mayoría de nuestros clientes. ¿Cuáles son sus ventajas? Cuenta con un bajo consumo energético y ya que solo necesita 350 kilowatts por hora y cada tonelada de aluminio fundido. Esto se traduce en una eficiencia energética especialmente, lo que ya ayuda a reducir los costes operativos. Además, sus mínimos requisitos de mantenimiento le ahorran tiempo y esfuerzo en el mantenimiento diario. Si busca una solución fiable y rentable, este horno de fundición de aluminio es la opción ideal. La segundo, vamos a ver el tipo de medio frecuencia y su velocidad de fusión rápida y su alta eficiencia son sus principales ventajas. Tiempos de fusión cortos y un aumento significativo de la producción. Además, su alta eficiencia de fusión y su prolongada vida útil garantizan que su inversión mantenga su valor a largo plazo. Vamos a ver ese tipo de horno. Ustedes pueden ver las piezas de ese horno. De ver, la tercero es de medio frecuencia y ese tipo, es tipo de IGBT. La tercero modelo es el horno con gas o de petróleo. Ese es otro nuestra zona. Y eso es el cuerpo de aluminio. Generalmente, más que una tonelada, usamos el cuerpo de acero. Y, por ejemplo, los de 100 kilos, 250, 500 kilos, eso usamos el cuerpo de aluminio. Por ejemplo, como así, ese tipo, también me parece es un tipo para ver, ese no dice cuándo su capacidad, pero ese también para capacidad grande. Ok, ustedes pueden ver, es en nuestra fábrica. Ok, vamos siguiente.
Okay, hello everyone. So, please tell me the size of 300 kg or 500 kg. I want to know about loading in containers by I'm free. Hello, Muhammad. Hello, Mr. Muhammad. So please leave your email address and the phone number. So later we are going to catch up you. Okay, please leave your email address or WhatsApp number. So we will contact you as soon as possible. So now I'm going to introduce the tilting system for the furnace. Since both IGBT and the medium frequency aluminum melting furnace are induction furnace, we offer two specialized tilting systems for this furnace. So first is the reducer tilting. Just second, let me find a furnace with the reducer tilting for you. Now the furnace in front of you are all produced for our clients. They are all booked. Okay, this one is melting furnace with reducer tilting system. This one is 100 kg IGBT melting furnace. Okay, for the reducer tilting system, the greatest advantage is low cost and durability, ideal for low budget users who desire long-term efficient operation without extensive maintenance. The reducers The reducer's robust construction resists wear even with frequent use. It provides stable tilting and requires no frequent maintenance. Its durability and affordability make it preferred choice for routine melting and pouring work, especially when precise spot pouring is not required.
Cherry, can you introduce the reducer tilting to our
Friends,
friends by Spanish language?
Hi, te presento los tipos de basculante reductor. La primero es basculante con reducto. La principal ventaja de este aparato radica en su agilidad y durabilidad, lo que lo hace ideal para usarlo con sus repuestos limitados que requieren un funcionamiento eléctrico a largo plazo con un mantenimiento mínimo. La robusta porción de energía reductor resiste eficazmente el desgaste incluso con un uso frecuente. Proporciona un vertido estable sin necesidad de un mantenimiento frecuente. Su productividad y rentabilidad lo convierten en la opción refleja para tales rutinas de fundición y colada, especialmente cuando no se requiere un vertido puntual ultra precioso.
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you for introducing the reducer tilting system for our friends. Now, I will introducing the hydraulic tilting system for our friends. Reducer tilting or hydraulic tilting. These two are both very common and very important tilting method for the furnace. One is more common. Another one is more check. Okay. Now we reach to our HTGP furnace area. Now you can see this is our HTGP furnace. This is 1 ton capacity.
亚楠是吧？
This part
行，哎，放工了。
we call it a hydraulic rod. If you require stable operation and precise pouring, a hydraulic tilting system is the perfect choice. Its greatest advantage is extremely smooth pouring and precise control. This prevents wobbling during pouring, enabling precise spot pouring. Critical for applications requiring precise placement of molten aluminum, such as mold filling, aluminum ingot casting, and copper ingot casting. Whether you are handling larger batches or require consistent pouring quality, hydraulic systems provide stability and precision. They are an excellent choice for automatic, high-standard production lines. In summary, both pouring methods are perfectly suitable for IGBT and medium frequency induction furnaces. They both work perfectly with the furnace, making the entire operation more efficient. You can choose the right pouring system based on your budget precision in requirements and production methods. Now, I will invite our colleague, Ms. Jerry, introduce the hydraulic tilting station for our friends by Spanish language. Jerry, can you come?
Stella. Mira, ese tipo es otro tipo de basculante con hidráulica. Esa es la máquina de hidráulica. Esa es la ventaja. Ese puede verter el horno muy bueno, muy correcto para fundir aluminio. Si ustedes quieren producir lingotes de aluminio, ese modelo es la que primero ustedes necesitan. Porque con ese tipo de lingote puede mejorar la calidad de la lingote. Ok, vamos siguiente.
Okay, now let's firstly look at our aluminum ingot casting line. No matter what your capacity is, we have a suitable solution for you. And this equipment is not only suitable for aluminum ingot production line, can also be used for copper or steel ingot production. From melting with aluminum to casting it into ingots, a set of equipment can automatic production. The whole production line usually includes melting furnace, water cooling tower, casting machine, stacking machine. And we can customize for our customer by putting your own logo on the machine and ingot mold. So, now let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Fang, to give our introduction for this production line. He's going to introduce how to operate this production line and what's the name for each part.
That's so nice. Welcome our engineer, Mr. Fang. Hi, Mr. Fang.
Hello.
跟大家打个招呼吧 ，Say hi.
Hello, hello.
This is our engineer, Mr. Fang. He is responsible for the casting equipment design and manufacturing and OEM. Whatever the special needs you need, you can just let us know, and Mr. Fang can design all the things for our friends. 方工给大家介绍一下定线主要的一些组成的部分吧。
不行啊，从炉子开始。
把这个麦给他一下。
来，我来给你讲一个。
Now you can see our ingot casting machine. It's already start testing. This is knockout hammer. It's working. The knockout hammer will knock out the finished aluminum ingot once it's finished the casting. You can hear the voice from the show. It's very clear. Okay. Now our engineer, Mr. Fang, will introduce the casting machine by Chinese language firstly. Me and Percy will translate to you later after he finish. 方工，你给大家介绍吧。
从那个炉子开始。
从哪说？助定机主要是由模具、主支撑机构、链条传动机构、铝业分配器。
稍等一下，我们都刚好可以给客户看一下哪部是哪一部。
助定线主要是模具。
OK，
这个就是模具。
OK，this is ingot mold。
主支撑机构相当于说这个框架整个就是一个主支撑机构。
This is a frame for supporting。
链条传动机构，这个是传动链条。
This is transmission system。
然后这个控制箱里是变频器和空力开关，这个是电控部分。
Okay, now let's look at the control box. This is a control box and also the frequency converter.
这是传动电机和连轴器。
Okay, this is the shaft and the motor.
这个部分是脱模锤，是便于模具与定的脱离，然后方便后面的整理规范的。
Okay, Stella just introduced. This is the hammer for demolding.
然后下来是这边，这边主要是铝业分配器，
Okay.
这个铝液的话，就通过这个溜槽进到这个铝液里头。
Okay, this is a divider for molten aluminum.
那个是中间介轮，通过介轮链条带动介轮，带动铝液分配器，这相当于实现了机械的自动化。
Okay, this whole system will make it automatic.
这种方式只需要一个电机变频器就可以带动整个那个定线的浇铸和脱模，相当于说结构简单，然后便于生产。
This whole production line only uses the one motor and one Franke converter to control the whole system work automatically. It's very convenient. Okay, now let's focus on the
这边是一个1吨的电磁熔铝炉，功率320千瓦，然后它熔铝的时间大概是在70到90分钟。
Okay, this is the IGBT type aluminum melting furnace. The capacity of this furnace is 1 ton, 1,000 kg, and the melting period of this melting furnace is around 70 to 90 minutes.
它主要有整体钢结构，有固定部分和翻转部分的构成。
This is the main structure for the furnace.
通过液压缸进行翻转，效率高，稳定。
Okay, this type of furnace uses hydraulic tilting system. It's more stable for pouring.
先面炉嘴进行翻转之后，铝液进到这个接液盒中。
They use the hydraulic tilting system. The molten aluminum will be poured into the small tank here. You can see.
接液盒内部打的直接就是不粘铝浇筑料。
Okay. We use the refractory for the lining inside the lining.
在溜槽中间，我们设计一个控液阀，这个控液阀可以保证从接液盒往定线里头的流量是固定的，这样保证后期出的定是均匀，并且就是说公斤数差异是小的。
As you can see, there is a special device here. This can control the volume of liquid. In case too much or too light aluminum will go into the casting machine. It will make sure all aluminum ingot come out from the casting machine is more even, has the same size and weight. 可以。谢谢方工 ，Thank you, Mr. Fang.
Cherry 介绍一下。
Now my colleague Ms. Cherry going to introduce the production line in Spanish.
Ok, gracias, Percy. Ahora voy a presentar toda la línea. Antes nuestro ingeniero Juan ya presentó toda la línea. Mira, eso son toda la
这个
línea
控制用不用介绍一下？
de
这怎么控制？
Mira, primero desde el horno.
怎么开？就比如说
Desde
这
el horno
开的
para
话，
fundir aluminio. Primero sacamos
Sí,
los
todo.
líquidos a esa caja. Está dentro de la caja, mira, todo tiene la material refractaria para guardar su temperatura. Y después la líquida está ahí. Ahí tiene una válvula, como una válvula, eso. Para controlar los líquidos, usted puede ajustar la velocidad del líquido ahí. Y ese, para guardar, para calentar, es el lingote, para la calidad del lingote. Mira, toda la línea se incluye, la importante es la molde. Y después es esa cadena para cargar los moldes y ahí. Eso es el motor. Y después hasta acá viene ese martillo para sacar las lingotes fácil. y hasta ahí para guardar los lingotes. Ese solo un motor, ese puede controlar toda línea. Es ahorrar muchos trabajadores para ahorrar sus costos. Ok, conseguimos.
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you, Percy. Thank you, our engineer, Mr. Fang, to introduce the basic structure of our casting equipment. Except for the knockout hammer, ingot mold, and the rack and the distributor. If customer they get the machine in their factory, when they want to operate the casting machine, they can come to this area. This is a control box, and they can push the button up and down to change the speed of the aluminum ingot machine, to change the transferring speed according to their molten liquid output. Just push this button up and down and then fix it. It's very easy and simple for customer to understand it. We can try here. Let's see. Yeah, the speed is come down. It's very simple, right? Cherry, can you introduce the frequency converter to our customers by
Sure.
Spanish language?
Ok, gracias, Stella. Antes como la Stella de operar esa caja de control, ese para qué, ese arriba y abajo es las dos, para controlar la velocidad del lingote de aluminio, más rápido o más lento, como así de ahora. Ese usted puede ajustar para, depende de su requisito. Usted quiere más rápido o más lento, ese todo puede ser. Mira, solo tocar ese 2 a ese más rápido y abajo ese, ok, más lento. Ok, listo.
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you for your introduction. As we know, the weight of an aluminum ingot in the market is usually 6.5 kg and 10 kg. If you have other weight requirements, we can also meet them. Aluminum ingot mold and the dispenser generally use gray iron 200 to 250 material. Copper ingot mold using ductile iron 450 to 500 material. The wearing parts of ingot production line are ingot molds and the dispenser. The service of life of the aluminum ingot mold is 1.5 years. It depends on your working efficiency. The service life of the dispenser is 1 year. The service life of the copper ingot mold is around 6 months. The service life of the dispenser is between 4 to 5 months. So please also think about purchasing the spare parts according to your manufacturing output. It will save the shipping cost and guarantee your production. If you are interested in a recycling project for discarded aluminum cans, you might want to consider this machine. Now, we want to display our aluminum ingot mold and copper ingot mold to our audience in the lab show. Can you see? We have several ingot mold on the desk from here to here. 叫一下方工。方工 We will invite Mr. Fang to introduce the ingot mold, the difference to us again.
方工来帮我再介绍一下这个 模具现场在。
现在我们需要你再给大家介绍一下咱们模具，每一个模具它是干什么用的，它大概能铸造出来的产品重量是多少？我们先从这个开始，好吗？第一个
这个是30公斤铜锭模具。
The first one, this is a 30 kg copper ingot mold. 这个模具它是由什么材质做成的？
耐热球铁。
QT. This is the material is QT. Service life is longer.
给我点时间。
这个是10公斤的铝锭模具。
This second one, rectangle size. This is 10 kg aluminum ingot, and this material is made by the gray iron. 这个是灰铁做的，对吧？Okay.
这个是7公斤的华夫锭模具。
This one, you can see it looks like a wolf cookies in your life. If you would like to eat the wolf cookies, this weight for single pieces it's 多少公斤来着？7公斤。7 kg. 这个是什么材质做成的？
灰铁。
This material is also made by the gray iron. 有一点。Okay, next one.
这个是10杠80克的双铝块模具。
This is single roll deoxidized block aluminum ingot mold. One pieces it is 多少公斤？80克。Sorry. One pieces the weight is 80 g. It is very 80 gram. It is very smaller compared with the rectangle size aluminum ingot. How about this one? 这个呢？
这是10公斤的铜锭模具。
The smaller one, this is 10 kg copper ingot mold. Compare with the first 30 kg big one, this is much smaller and shortly. Can you see that? 这个呢？
这个是8乘200克的双铝块模具。
这个刚才是几克？
刚才是10乘80克。
这是80克，这是200克，对不对？These two, this one and this one, they are both deoxidized block aluminum ingot. This one is 80 gram. This one is 200 gram. The weight is different. And also the groove is also different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And compared to this one, you can see this we call it a single roll. This we call it a double roll. This usually work with 20 capacity gas melting furnace, the bigger capacity furnace. If you want to have more better working efficiency, you want to make more aluminum ingot in the workshop, you can try this double roll. It will help you to increase the output double compared with this one. This one is very popular used in Chinese market.
这个是6.5公斤的。
这个是铝的用的模具，对吧
？6.5公斤的铝锭模具。
This ingot mold, this is for aluminum ingot mold. It can make 6.5 kg aluminum ingot. Compare with this 10 kg, the thickness, the height of this one is a little bit shorter. If you can see it by your eyes, the height is a little bit shorter. This is 6.5 kg capacity. The last one, you can see it is very special. You can see it looks like a ball, but not a full ball. We call it a hemispherical aluminum ingot. We had exported this casting line to our Iran customers and Morocco customers. This is really same like this one, but their shape is different. Weight is different. Usually the steel factory, they will use this deoxidized aluminum ingot block in their working area. Now we will introduce to you by Spanish language.
Gracias, Stella. Mira, te presenta los moldes de nuestros aluminios y cobles. Primero es para cobre de 30 kilos. Su material es hierro fundido. La segunda es para el lingote de aluminio. El peso es 10 kilos. Su material es hierro gris. Y esos también, todo para lingotes de aluminio. Y ese como la wolf cookie, esos. Y ese es la es la línea y también está al lado de ese modelo es la doble. Línea simple, línea doble. Y también hay diferentes. Esta línea simple hay 10 unidades, la que es chiquito, lingote chiquito. Cada lingote es 80 gramos y ese más pesa. De cada lingote es 200 gramos. Y también, mira, ese también de la línea 5, pero ese es el más grande. 这个是多大来的记录了
200克
啊？Ese también es 200 gramos. Y ese, ustedes mira, ese para lingote de cobre, el más chico,就是10公斤的平均。
10公斤 ，yes。
Ese 10 kilos para lingote de cobre. Ustedes, mira, ese también para lingote de aluminio, pero más liviano de 6.5 kilos. Mira, ese, la ancho más finita y otra, la más grande, más ancho. Y ese modelo para la boleta de aluminio, pero no es boleta completa, es boleta media. Ese hay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hay 8 unidades. Eso es todo lo que tenemos hasta ahora de diferentes lingotes, aluminio y cobre. Y mi empresa también tiene de zinc. También tiene zinc. Se puede certificar todos los requisitos de clientes. También ofrecemos personalización. Okay. Gracias, Stella.
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you for your introduction about our aluminum and copper ingot mold. We prefer to spend some time in this area for our friends. So you can check all of the molds again if you have any interested about it. And if you want to start a new aluminum business, you can watch out. If you have any interested about the aluminum ingot business, you can visit our factories and you can see all of this mold in our factory. And you can choose which one is suitable for you. Currently, the market most hot sell one is the 10 kg aluminum ingot mold and 30 kg copper ingot mold, and the big oxidized aluminum ingot mold, and also the hemispherical.
熔铝钢锅和熔钢锅不一样。
介绍完了，你把它给放。
那后边都乱了，没修上，下来了。
After introducing the aluminum melting furnace, casting machine, and the ingot mold, sometimes if the customer their output is really big, so we might suggest customer to consider about the cooling system for the casting machine also. It's also very normal for the cooling for the casting equipment. For example, if the capacity is large enough to require continuous use of the ingot machine, a cooling system may be considered for the ingot machine. The cooling mode of ingot line is generally divided into air cooling and water cooling. Air cooling is the form of external fan to cool the ingot and ingot mold. If the water cooling is used, the mold should be QT material. Otherwise, the life of the mold will be short, and it is very easy to get cracked. The water cooling mode is to cool the mold through the heat exchange of the cold water and the mold. You will not need the cooling system if the output is less than 1 ton per hour. Later, we will share you some air cooling tube for the copper ingot in that corner. Cherry, can you introduce the cooling system of the ingot casting machine for our
Of
friends?
course, Stella. Si su capacidad más grande y necesita, sigue usa la línea, puede sumar el sistema de referencia para esa línea de lingote. Generalmente tiene dos tipos, uno de aire y otro de agua. Con aire es como está arriba, pone una ventilación.
怎么又是这样？
Y con agua, hay el requisito del molde. Mejor el molde es hierro fundido. Si no usa otro hielo gris, me parece molde es fácil para abrirse. Si su capacidad inferior de 1 tonelada de olaria, si no necesita ese sistema de enfriamiento. Ustedes pueden mirar como ese me parece es el modelo de 4 metros. Ese, si
还没时间了呀。
ese se usa como así, listo. No necesita nada máquina de enfriamiento. Ok.
这段可以。
Ok, vamos siguiente. 好嘞，我们可以
我们就
继续。
看方案嘛。
现在是不是就找那个？
我们就看方案了。
介绍了，看方案了哈。
看方案嘛。
看一下那个水冷，咱们就直接过去。
Okay. We have another ingot casting machine here with water cooling system. So we are going to take you to have a look.
Vamos a ver la agua, el enfriamiento de agua. Vamos a ver ese primero. 我跟着你说一句，我说一句，要不然我不会这个。
Okay. As you can see, the engineer is still trying to assemble the casting machine. Yeah.
Nuestro trabajador está haciendo.
The water cooling system is here.
Ese es el modelo de agua refriamiento, muy especial. Yo también lo vi primera vez. Mira, ese hay tubo y válvulas para controlar la agua.
Okay. Now let's move to the office. We are going to show you the drawings, the layout drawings for the real project in South Korea and in China. So in this case, you will understand how the production operations.
Ahora vamos a comparar los programas de programas esta China. Y porque ahí los clientes no sabían cómo elegir el horno, cómo su la capacidad y cómo hacer todo. Ahora vamos a ver, este es un buen ejemplo. Me parece después de este programa, ustedes van a saber cómo elegir el horno, cómo elegir la línea y cómo hacemos después. Vamos.
For aluminum ingot casting line, this is a very, the capacity could be very small, it could be large also. So it depends how much money you want to invest in this project. So if you have only small money, and you are considering what you can do, I think this is a good choice for you, because you have plenty aluminum cans everywhere. So if you don't know how to do with it, this is the best choice.
Okay.
Okay, now we are in the office now.
Vamos a charlar la programa, está aquí nuestro ambiente de reunión. Generalmente para atender cliente también está ahí. Nuestro ingeniero viene.
Okay, now engineer Fang is with us. We are going to introduce two project layout drawings. The first one is 250 tons per month aluminum ingot production line in South Korea. 这个方工，这个的话是那个韩国那个250吨每月的每月那个铝锭生产线。然后这个当时应该是咱这边给他出的图嘛，你看你有印象没有？这个，你看它最早的时候，它这个变压器是在这边，后来就调到这个上面嘛。我们根据它的方案做了一些调整。
Ese es nuestro primer programa de Corea de 250 toneladas cada mes. Ahora, nuestro ingeniero para presentar eso, ese es un como la plano del proyecto.
简单给我们说一下，我也没写中文。
这个是2台1吨电磁熔铝炉，这个部分是炉台，这上面是咱的中频电源柜，前头是通过一道2合1的溜槽，把这个铝液引到咱的铸锭机里头。
好 ，OK， for this production line, we have two sets of 1,000 kg IGBT melting furnace and two sets of 15 tons closed cooling tower. This is the platform for the furnace, and also you can see here. This is the power cabinet, which you're going to place on the top of the platform, and the water cooling system is here. We use the one lander combine two furnaces together, make sure the liquid will goes into the casting machine here. 这个是几米的定线呢？还是12米啊 ？This is the
总长是3米。
Okay, this is 12 meters in casting machine, but the actual length is 13 meters. Okay, this is the picture. This is the on-site picture. The two furnaces here, 1,000 kg. You can see the power unit is on the top of the platform, and this is the casting machine. Because 这个上面我看是有风机是吧？两个风扇。
降温冷却风扇。
主要这个是降那个铝锭还是锭膜？
主要降
铝锭。
那个浇铸完铝锭的温度，让它得说在后端脱模的时候更利于脱模。
As you can see, there are two fans on the top of the casting machine. This will help cooling the ingots for demolding. 然后我看后边还有这个堆垛机。
这个铝锭脱下来以后，后面有一个后端传输线输送机。就是铝锭掉下来以后掉到传输线上面，然后到后面的整个一个马垛的行架式马垛机，这样子能把铝锭往上一垛一垛的，便于后面的铲车，或者说进行打包，这样子整个铝锭看起来规规矩矩的，方方正正的。
As you can see, the client requires a stacking machine at the end of the casting machine. Okay, there are also a roller table here. So after demold from the casting machine, the ingot is going to transfer into the stacking machine, and all aluminum ingot will be stacked in a can't say 一堆怎么说
batch
in a batch. Yes. 要不要说一下
Mira, ese proyecto incluye 2 hornos de 1 tonelada, 1 tonelada también. Y acá hay 2 canales para perder el líquido de lingote de aluminio. Y toda la línea es 12 metros. Y después está atrás, cuando la lingote se cae, también hay una línea para cargar ese lingote. Y cargado hasta ahí hay una máquina para ordenar los lingotes, como una pieza, 2 piezas, esos. Ordenarlo muy bien. Y usted puede ver, la línea tiene 2 ventilaciones para enfriar los lingotes. ¿Para qué ese? Ese es para separar la lingote más fácil, porque ahí hay un martillo a sacar el lingote. Y mira, eso es la máquina para ordenar los lingotes. Es así.
Okay. For this production line, the raw material is scrap aluminum, and the final product is 10 kilogram aluminum ingot. We have another layout drawing here. This is the first layout drawing for the project, because at the beginning, the client side, the transformer will be here. That's why we put two melting furnace at this corner, and the custom machine will go up like this, and the stacking machine is placed here because the length is not long enough. That's why we put the stacking machine like this. But at the end, the client side, the transformer must be placed at this corner instead of the left corner here. That's why we changed the design for his project. And also there's a hoist here because the raw material open a door here, so which is easy for them to transport raw material scrap into this area, and he can use the hoister to put the raw material into the furnace. Also, this hoister can help the client to change the crucible if needed. So what I want to say is, if you are interested in this, you can, and you have a land already, it's better you send the drawing of your land to us, and we can design the layout based on your land or warehouse.
Okay. I think you forgot to introduce our friends about the length and the width and the height of the factory.
OK，方工这个高度是多少呢？一般要求方。
如果1吨电车旅游的话，推荐高度就是说它的扛车吊高度在6米以上。
Lifting height should be.
If you want to do this project, we suggest the lifting height of the warehouse is at least 6 meters.
Yeah.
So warehouse, but you can see the length is about 34 meters.
Yes.
And the width is 28 meters.
Yes. It looks like an L size, right?
Yeah, it looks like an L or P. That's right.
Can you also introduce about this project equipment timeline and the workers numbers and the equipment installations times for our friends?
Yeah, sure. For the production of this equipment, it took about 45 working days, and the installation took about 10 to 15 days, but with one condition: the client must place the equipment at the right place before our engineer goes to the site.
You mean the foundation, right?
Yes, for the foundation.
Yes.
Yeah, and we will send the foundation drawing to the client, so they can do the foundation based on the drawings we send to them. Also, if you want to know, I'm going to tell you how many workers you need for this production line. For this product, you need totally 3 to 4 workers. For the melting area, you will need 1 to 2 furnace operator for sure. Okay, and the ingot custom machine area, you only need 1 observer.
Yes.
And stacking area also only need 1 observer. So they don't need to do anything.
Yeah.
The machine will do the job for them.
Yeah, it's very less workers, right?
Yes. So if you have any questions, since our engineer, Mr. Fang, is here, so we can answer your questions.
How about Mr. Mohammed? Is he still in our live show? Does he have
Hello,
any questions?
Mr. Mohammed. Are you still with us?
So Percy, this project it's mainly about the electric furnace, right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
So the customer, he prefer to use electric furnace compared with other fuel, right?
Yes,
Okay,
that's right.
that's very good.
Mhm.
I think this is a very nice project and a very nice factory.
Yes,
It's really beautiful, right?
this, yes.
So does our friend Mr. Mahab still there? No?
No, I don't think
Okay.
he's here.
So I think maybe we can go to another project now, right? About the gas melting furnace
Yes.
and the ingot casting line.
Now let's Miss Stella introduce another project. So
Okay.
you,
1 minute. Wait a minute.
yeah.
Now you can see there are a few pictures here which me and Percy we especially prepared for our visitors in our live show. This picture, this is equipment layout diagram, which is familiar with Percy Korea project, but it's a little bit different. It looks like a rectangle size factory here. And this part, this is the gas melting furnace by 2 sets, you can see. And this is aluminum chute for transferring the molten aluminum. And this is 12 meters ingot casting line. I think this project and Percy Korea project, they are both same casting lines. Total length 30 meters, but the casting length is 12 meters. And this tail, there is a stacking machine over there for stacking the finished aluminum ingot. And in this picture, you can see, compare with the foundation of electric aluminum melting furnace, the gas type aluminum melting furnace foundation looks much simple, right?
Yes.
And looks much easier, right? You don't have to do so much foundation. You just prepare some steel structures and platform for the gas type aluminum melting furnace. You don't have to dig the hole, so you can just install it and prepare a platform. So you can see,
and there's no water cooling system.
yeah, you can see there is a person standing on the platform. You see, this is a worker on the platform, so he can observe the furnace port and the casting line on the top area. So compare with the electric furnace, the gas type aluminum melting furnace foundation looks much easier and simple and easy for customer to do the installation. So now I will introduce the basic main equipments of this project. This project and the customer, they are located in our city, Luoyang city. So the main equipments of this project, it can daily produce 20 tons aluminum ingot per day, 500 tons aluminum ingot per month. And the main equipment includes 2 sets of 1 ton capacity insulated T-type aluminum molten transfer bags. You can see it is over here. This is molten aluminum transfer bags. It looks like a teapot when you take the tea. And the advantage of this machine is it can hold the aluminum liquid in a good conditions. Next is 2 sets of 1 ton crucible gas-fired aluminum melting furnace. It's over here. Another one is the one side of refining mixer. You can see this one. It's beside with the furnace, like neighbors. When the melting furnace melts the molten aluminum, the refining mixer machine can add refining agents into the furnace port to form slag and add hydrogen to increase the purity of the molten aluminum. The customer who know about aluminum manufacturing, they will prefer to use this machine to make the molten aluminum liquid more purity more better. Customer, if you want to make more better quality aluminum ingot, you can think about this machine. Another one is the 12 meters ingot casting line, which we already introduced a lot in our live show today. So you can check about our video and our live show after when you have time, so you can know more about the ingot casting machine. And customer, they want to casting 10 kg aluminum ingot. Another one is one set of stacker machine to stacking for stacking finished aluminum ingots, but the ingot weight should not be less than equal to 10 kgs. So this whole production line was designed to help a customer produce small quantities of special alley aluminum ingots. Customer, they have several big capacity gas type aluminum melting furnace, like 20 kg capacity. After they melt it, they will transfer some finished molten aluminum by this T-type bag, and then they will put this into the furnace or a gas type aluminum melting furnace and mix it, and so they can produce the final alley aluminum ingots that meet their specifications. They can adjust the composition of the molten aluminum by doing like this. The highlights of this production line include the highly insulated aluminum transfer bags here, the fully automatic ingot casting line, and the automatic paralyzers, I mean the stacker machine. So for this production line, the total manufacturing time will be take around maybe 45 working days, and the equipment installation time will be between 7 to 10 working days. And the total workers for this project, it is familiar and the same like Percy Korea project, between 3 to 4 workers. The melting area will be need 1 to 2 furnace operators, and the ingot casting area 1 observer, and the stacking machine area 1 observer is enough. So today we introduced these 2 ingot casting project for our friends. We want to make our friends to know about how can they install the equipment once they receive the equipment in their factory, and what the gas aluminum melting furnace and electric melting furnace looks like, and what is the foundation difference, what is the operation difference when they install the equipment. I think after today, the second live show, after me and Percy and Cherry, we introduce all of these details to our friends in this live show. You guys must have a clear mind about the installation situation and conditions for the project. So if you have any new idea and new good business idea about making aluminum ingots, you will feel not difficult about it. It is very easy because me and Percy and Cherry, our HTGP group, we will help you for the project. So we warmly welcome you to consult and visit our factory, know about the equipment, to know about the casting lines, to see the machine by your own eyes, to check what is the quality it looks like by your own eyes, so you will know it better. Cherry, do you want to introduce the project to our friends by Spanish language?
Sure, thanks,
Okay.
Stella.
Okay.
Mira, esa es nuestra segunda programa. Esa es la capacidad más grande de 500 toneladas por mes. Mira, ese es primero la platino. Ese puede ver, esa es la foto, es sitios de nuestro cliente. Ese, ¿qué cosa incluye? Incluye 2 hornos. Ese horno es el tipo a gas, no es tipo IGBT. Nuestro programa es tipo IGBT. Ese es tipo a gas. También hay ese, mira, hay ese 2 canales. Y mira ahí, hasta perder los líquidos aluminio, está ahí. Y ese es la línea de también es 12 metros. Ese, y toda larga es 13 metros, porque también hay otras cosas. Usted puede ver. ¿Y qué cosa especial está ese proyecto? Primero es ese. Ese como una cucharón. Ese cucharón para cargar los lingotes de aluminio. Porque hay acabados. Y por eso su ingrediente diferente. Cliente necesita sacar pocos líquidos para ver qué cosa falta y qué cosa tiene más. Sí. Y después de ese, por eso usamos ese. Y después también usa una máquina así. ¿Para qué? Para guardar el líquido, para guardar la temperatura del líquido. No es abajo más frío y arriba más caliente. Ese no puede ser. Y, ¿y qué más? ¿Usted quiere saber cuántos tiempos de todo el proyecto? ¿Cuánto tiempo necesita? Ese nuestro tiempo de, todo tiempo de producción, más o menos 45 días de tiempo. Y para instalar eso, todas las líneas, más o menos necesita 10 días. Total necesita 3 o 4 trabajadoras. Esta zona de fundición necesita 1 o 2 trabajadoras para ayudar. Y esta la zona para hacer el lingote, una sola trabajadora. Y esta otra zona para guardar los lingotes de aluminio también necesita una trabajadora. Es ahorra muchos trabajadores y también significa ahorra muchos costos. Ok, vamos a conseguir.
Thank you, Cherry. So nice of you. I think after we introduce the project for both of you,
All for taking your time to watch our second live stream today and learn about our plant's equipment. Today, we focus on the equipment and the production capacity of our aluminum ingot casting line, including layout diagram.
thank you, Percy. Thank you, Stella. Thank you, Cherry, today. Our philosophy is very clear. Superior products rely on robust manufacturing capabilities, and the listing collaborations are built on trust. We showcase our equipment and real project cases with complete sincerity, which we show our installation diagram and the working site pictures. We want to make our friends to know what can we do and what we have done for our customers, for all over the country, for different overseas customers, what we can do. So providing that excellence speaks for itself, and our equipment is more than ready to meet your needs.
Yeah, thank you again for your attention and the support. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. It's free, costs nothing. So we are looking forward to hear from you and see you next time.
Yes, Percy. So happy to do the live show today with you together.
Yeah.
So happy to work with you together. Yes, follow us now to keep up with updates. Next time, we are focusing on our steel rebar production line. Whether you are in the construction, metal processing, or looking for the reliable rebar equipment, we will show you our production capacity, key tech highlights, and real customer case results. It's super practical for anyone in the industry. We can't wait to have your join.
See you next YouTube live show. Bye.
Now, Cherry, can you say bye to our audience?
Sure. Gracias, chicos, y gracias, Percy, gracias, Stella. Creo que durante ese programa usted va a saber más cosas de mi empresa y más máquinas de nuestra fábrica y su capacidad, la calidad. Si usted tiene más preguntas, me manda mensaje. Tenemos un grupo de ingenieros profesionales. Puede solicitar cualquier problema de los hornos. Por la próxima programa voy a presentar el laminador de varilla colocada a ustedes. Muchas gracias a su atención. Gracias.